Somalia's civil war began here in the north in the mid-80s, in which the people rose up against the military regime of General Siad Barre. It was a vicious conflict in which the government was at war with its own people.
Tonight there's confusion over just how far the SNM rebels have advanced. It seems the town of Barreo was taken temporarily earlier this week. Berbera may also have seen battles, and the road from there to the city of Hargeisa, where most of the aid workers were based, has also, it seems, been attacked. Certainly the radio station went off the air. The SNM claim they're close to victory in the north, despite a remarkable difference in numbers. It's thought about 3,000 rebels are up against as many as 30,000 government troops.
These pictures, shot a week later on the rebel side, show members of the SNM moving freely in several areas of Hargeisa, the biggest town in what was once the British-ruled part of Somalia. Captured government military equipment helped the SNM sustain their offensive. The government's efforts to dislodge the rebels have been masterminded by General Morgan, the flamboyant regional army commander seen here during recent field operations. Desertions are said to have sapped army morale and effectiveness. The government used aircraft as well as artillery. Eyewitness reports of summary executions of suspected SNM supporters by the army brought condemnation from human rights groups.
Tens of thousands died and hundreds of thousands were displaced, until eventually the control of this part of Somalia by Siad Barre's military regime collapsed. And it was at that point that this region declared independence from the rest of Somalia.
habismeedka qarankiya meena kaydka shidaalka laga helo hoggaan hilin yagleela somaray hayande hoggaan hilin yagleela somaray hayande habismeedka qarankiya meena kaydka shidaalka laga helo hoggaan hilin yagleela somaray hayande hoggaan hilin yagleela somaray hayande hana shacabka lagu hago hoy nabada lagu helo habeeniya daraartii dawladda u helane idinkuna hareer gala dadkaygo hareer gala hana shacabka lagu hago hoy nabada lagu helo habeeniya daraartii dawladda u helane idinkuna hareer gala dadkaygo hareer gala aqoon-yahan hankiisii hamigiisu weeyahay naftiisana u soo quray halgankii xorriyaddii alla hadafka guushiya ku hirgeli aqoonsiga casiis hadafka guushiya ku hirgeli aqoonsiga amiin amiin allahayo amiin 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 allahayo amiin aqoon-yahan hankiisii hamigiisu weeyahay naftiisana u soo quray halgankii xorriyaddii alla hadafka guushiya ku hirgeli aqoonsiga casiis hadafka guushiya ku hirgeli aqoonsiga amiin amiin